Morning, grade 3, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today is Wednesday and it's November the 18th. This is a revision video for your second assessment. I hope you benefit from it. Please, on your notebook, follow up with me, pause the video and write the questions, okay? Now, today is Wednesday, November. So we write the date and we start with this is the study sheet. Okay, I just want to tell you that now, by finishing chapter 3, we had finished the quarter of our curriculum, so that's why we will pass a test called quarterly test. Okay, so this test is almost a revision for chapter 1, 2 and 3. Now let's check the first question, which is solve, show your work. Write the value of each underlined digit. As you can see here, this number is 652. Which one is the underlined digit? This is number 5 here. We have to write the value. All of you have to write the question on your notebook, underline this thing which is the value. What is the value of number 5 here? The value is 50. So the value is 50 as it is located in the tens place. So it's 50. Now, and for this number, which is question number 2, we have 4,903. The underlined digit, as you can see here, is number 9. It is located in the hundreds place. So the value in Tibhu, I'm talking about the value. The value is 900. Now, what is the value of this digit? As you can see, it's in the tens place and the number is 4. So the value is 40. And the last one here, the value is 7,000. Okay. Now let's check question number 2. Write the number in expanded form. So you have to know that in your second assessment you will face a question like this one, another question like this one. These questions are highly important for your second assessment. Now for this one, write the number in expanded form. We have 7,803. So we simply write 7,000 plus 800 plus 3. And as you can see here, we have nothing in the tens place. So we don't write anything about tens. And for this number, we have 40,076. So we just write 40,000, which is 4 with 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 77 with 1 0 and 6 is just a 6. Look, so this is question number 5 and 6, and they are highly important. You have to know. The second assessment, you will write and numbers in expanded form with thousand place, and I will ask you about 1,000 and 10,000. So please focus on these two questions. Now let's check what do we have next? Write the number in standard form. These questions are opposite. Okay, now I have this one, which is 7,500 plus 0. Okay, 7,500 plus 0. I think here we have another plus, but it's missed some way, so I will just write it plus 4. Okay, so here we will just write, we have 7,504. Okay, and don't forget to write equal. So this number is the standard form of this expanded form. They are the same. This is the same number written in two ways. The first one is the expanded form. The second one is the standard form. Now, for this number, we have 90,000 plus 2,000 plus 0, 0 plus 6. So we simply write 9, then we write 2, then we write 0 for the hundreds place, another 0 for the tens place, then we write a 6. And don't forget to write equal. Again, I will show you again. We have here 6 in the ones place, 6 in the ones place, 0, 0 in the tens and hundreds, we have 0, 0 here, and we have 2 in the thousand place and 9 in the tens thousands. Okay, for the last question we have 15,000. يعني اعرف اني راح اكتب لك رقم بالكلمات. Okay, 15,903. Okay, 15,903. So the answer is حبايبي, before seeing my answer, try to do it yourself. Pause the video, try to do it yourself, then check your answer with mine. Okay, now we have 15,000, we just write 15, then we have 903. Okay, that's 15,903. Now let's just move to question number 10 here. We have write in order from least to greatest. Okay, so from least to greatest we are walking this way, from least up to the greatest. Now we have these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and you know how do we order? We start from the far left. We count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first thing you should do, count the digits. All are 6-digit numbers. Okay, that's why يعني as a place they have the same place, which is 100,000. طيب, let's now start just comparing the digit themselves. Now the first number we have 800,000, then we have 7 10,000. Now we have 6, 5, another 6, another 8. So it's so clear that the least is this number. Okay, so this number is the least. Now what comes after this number? We have here, we have 8, we have 6, and we have 8. What is greater than 5? Okay, but less than 8, that's number 6. So this is the second one, and now we have to decide which one is the least from these. Now, okay, we have here 8,807 tens and 5 ones, and how we have 807 tens and 6 ones. So this one is less than that one, and the last one I will color it with red. It will be this one. So now we just have to write them in order from least to greatest. What is the first number? The first number is 5, 3, 8, comma. Now 6, 7, 5. how to read this number, how to read it. Okay, we read it this way. We read it 538,675. This is the least. This is the least. Now let's move to the next one. What is the next one? The next one is 6, 7, 2, comma. Now we have 9, 4, 8. Again, it's the pink one. That's 6, 7, 2, comma, and then we have 9, 4, 8. طيب, how to read this number? How to read this number? We read it 672,948. Now what comes next? The one comes next is the yellow one. So what do we have in yellow? That's we have 8, 7, 5, comma, 5, 9, 8. How we read this number? This number is read as 875,598. Now what about the last one? What about the last one? The last one is written in red, which is 8. Again, you have to be accurate. You have to write the numbers one by one. 8, 7, 6, then comma, then we have 4, 9, 5. And how to read this number? I won't read it. You have to read it yourself. Okay, practice on reading the number. Reading the numbers is something really like writing the number in the word form. Okay, so for question number 10, we've ordered the numbers from least to greatest. You have to remember what is least and what is greatest. Okay, now let's move to the next one. No, I will now pause the video. I will record another video for the rest of the questions.